Clarity is key when selling your home. Today, we're focusing on how to get clear about your goals and priorities. This module will guide you through understanding exactly what you want from your home sale and why it matters. Hi, I'm John Bulick with the Summit team. Understanding your motivations. When you decide to sell your home, it's rarely a snap decision. There are usually several motivations behind it, and for couples, these can sometimes be different or even conflicting. To get the best result, it's critical to sit down and get very clear on why you're selling and what your specific goals are. Writing down your goals. First, write down all the things that are important to you in the sale of your house. Be sure to write down everything that comes to mind. As you write, ask yourself why. For example, maybe you write, sell the house for $650,000. Why do you want to sell it for that amount? Is it because your neighbor sold his house for that much, or because that's how much you need to pay off your mortgage and have enough for your next home? Getting specific about why you want or need these things helps clarify what's most important to you. Netting the best amount. Remember, how much you net from the sale is more important than the selling price. Your home is only worth what a buyer is willing to pay in any given market. So keeping that perspective is crucial. Keeping your prioritized list handy. Keep your prioritized list handy throughout the sale process, especially during negotiations. This list will help you make informed decisions and stay focused on what matters most. This clarity benefits both you and your agent, making it more likely you'll achieve your goals. Consider what you don't want. Think about what you don't want as well. Maybe you don't want your house shown at certain times or don't want to repair certain things. List these things and consider why they're important to you. Discuss restrictions with your agent. Keep in mind that any restrictions you place on the sale could lessen the number of buyers and offers you attract. Talk to your agent and ask about the impact of these restrictions, then decide from there. Your agent can provide valuable advice on what repairs or upgrades might be worth it. Sometimes a small investment can significantly increase your home's value and speed up the sale. Balancing emotion and fact. Selling a home can be emotional, but it's essential to balance emotion with facts. For example, you might want to keep a room exactly as it is for sentimental reasons, but if it's deterring buyers, you might need to reconsider. Similarly, your home's listing price should be based on market conditions, not just emotional attachment. Strategic seller questions to ask. Here are some questions to help you start your list. Why are you selling your home? Why at this particular time? Is this a want to sell or a need to sell time? How quickly do you want to sell? How quickly do you really need to sell? When do you want to move? Do you want to rent back from the new owner if it closes before a certain date? How much money do you want to net out of the sale and why? How soon do you need the funds? How much money and effort are you willing to put into the house before it hits the market? What about changes or repairs requested by the buyer? Why will we do or not do these things? Thank you for watching. Getting clarity about your goals and priorities will make the home selling process much smoother and more effective. See you in the next module, where we'll discuss preparing your home for sale.